Wow. It's like the other dog want to penetrate his own way. Wow. Seriously? Okay, is it that dogs do mat on top or they mat aside? It's like the main trigger have not entered yet. Okay, yes, it have not entered yet. It have not entered. Immediately it enters now. The dog will turn around. Huh. Let's watch. Let's see how the end will become. Wow. The other dog is still roaming around because it has not gotten a space. It's running around. It's roaming around. Look at. Wow. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Oh, yes. It's about to happen. It's about to happen. It's about to happen. Wow. Yes. Wow. Yes, the deed has been done. The deed has been done. The other dog is jealous. Yes, now it is jealous. Look at. It's trying his way to penetrate, but no way. This dog is crying a lot. It's crying. What? It has happened. That has happened. No way. Wow. This one want to enter again. This one want to enter. No. No way, nah. There is no more hole. Do they have two space? No two space. Allow the other one to enjoy itself. Allow it to enjoy itself, Joe. What? Let's replay it and see. Look at. No space. It's like this other dog is too high, and the other white one, that is the female one, is too low. Due to the shortness, they are unable to get into it. You understand? They are unable to get into it. So this one is trying as much as possible to find its way in. Wow. The dog is serious. It's so serious. This is serious. Let's watch and see. Yes, it's about to penetrate. Yes, it has penetrated. Yes, it has penetrated. Wow. Yes. This is the time that thing enter. What? He's serious. Walaikum salam. Hello, my brush. They eat aloud. Yeah. What the laptop to me and get out there you. Daddy. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, they're back home now. Okay, and the kids are fit to them. What? Wow, this is second one. The second period of mating. It's not easy to penetrate on this white dog. This white dog is not easy to penetrate. Look at it, has given up. I want to start again. Wow. It's not easy to penetrate this dog. And when they penetrate it, they feel so happy. The joy. Look at the height of this dog is too short. The shortness is making them to find it difficult to penetrate. Let's try again. He's still trying. Watch and see. The end part is so interesting. So interesting. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like our page. Please subscribe to our page. Subscribe and also follow. Wow, it has finally penetrated. I said, let me cut it short. It has penetrated. Please don't forget, share this video subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Facebook. I be Gbagi TV. I be Gbagi Child. Follow us on Facebook. I be Gbagi Child, and also subscribe to our channel in YouTube. I be Gbagi Child. Wow, the penetration is okay now. So they are enjoying themselves. This is so interesting. So interesting. Wow, they are feeling all right. The white dog, the female one is even trying to eat while enjoying herself. Is eating. What's that, self? What is he eating? Let's see. Wow, it's so interesting. Kindly subscribe to our channel on YouTube. I be Gbagi Child, and subscribe to our page. Follow us on Facebook page. I be Gbagi Child. Don't forget to share the video. Share this video, okay? Wow, this is interesting. This is very interesting. But they are feeling all right. It's not easy. The work has been done. Subscribe and follow our page.